Hello, and welcome to the last day of Module 3, Day 5, Friday, October 9th. This is also the end of Unit 1 in our textbook. Let's see what we have today. First, you will watch this video. Then you will go to Async. It is Friday. It is an async day for the most part. You have two activities today. You have to do a reading in Spark, looking for a job. Remember to always read the entire assignment before you actually do the assignment. So here you're going to read an article called Looking for a Job in Spark. Then you are going to try to get 75% on the first try of your quiz. Some of the question types we will focus on are the inferring questions. So depending on your Lexile level, the question might say the reader can tell, which is the same as the reader can infer. All right. And so based on what you read, you can make inferences. And this is a breakdown of why one answer is better over the other. Okay, make sure you read all of that. Your other activity is your deliverable, which is a paragraph. So you are going to write a paragraph about your future career. You will open the document by clicking My Document, and here are the directions. Okay, three paragraphs, so at least 4 sentences with a clear topic sentence. We talked about that this week. You need 3 or 4 reasons to support your main point. Periods, not commas. Capitalization, check your spelling. When you are finished, you can click Submit. And that's it for Async. So as you know, it is Friday. We won't have Zoom together as a class, but I will be available from 10 to 11 to work on any assignments, any questions you have. We can do some conversation circles for practicing, and we will end with a little bit of yoga. So come and join me this morning from 10 to 11 if you have any questions about anything. Same Zoom code. And remember, no class on Monday. Have a great long weekend. Good luck.